MEGHALAYA Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. At a press conference held today, a few residents of Len Mawtap-A SOHIONG constituency had briefed newspersons on the public interest litigation filed by them against 5 government entities and 19 individuals on the alleged corruption and non-implementation of public schemes under the PRADHAN MANTRI KHANIJ KSHETRA KALYAN YOJNA for SOHIONG constituency. It may be informed that in this regard, the petitioners had earlier filed an RTI at the office of the Block Development Officer. After the hearing on 21st October 2021, the Meghalaya High Court has ordered the issue of notices to all the respondent parties.
Hakabol jong kayin bisa bahalor kabala snap ban simkhia ya ka jingkapa jongi ki riu pai ba ni kremas kambek ba ka hop kan yin rosong ka ba file yang ni la file da i para mi jonga i thaba nan kalang bat ki we